Let me show you how to create this social media post design in Photoshop. Create your workspace with this canvas size. Go to this icon and choose the rectangular tool. So I'm going to draw a series of rectangular shape and arrange them. Hold the Ctrl-Shift button for a quick selection of the layers. Now drag and drop the image you want to use and make sure you adjust it accordingly. Right click on the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now I'm going to change the background color to a color that matches the subject. Follow this process. Choose the shape layer and add a drop shadow. Choose the text tool and write your text. Writing and editing this text takes a long process, so here's the final result. I want to make the background layer more cool, so I'm going to create an adjustment layer.